แม่บอกละ Rustic Entertainment. Wow, that's so scary, man. What the frick?
Deception.
Yo, guys, I do not remember myself playing this game, bro. I never. It's done. Now my face lying in darkness. 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 What the? You play. Hey! What you going to? Hey! You look like you're 85, but.
Oh, another one. How nice to have some company again. Come over here. Let's have a look at you.
Hey! You can look everything you want to
You
see.
disappoint me, love. You really do. So many fears. So many desires.
What
I
was you
thought you'd...
Oh!
Don't look so confused. I know everything you've got hidden in that brain of yours.
Yo.
I know all the terrible things you've done.
You know all the
So
terrible things
many
I'm thinking right now?
good intentions. But now your time has
So that was-
come, and here you are, to grovel and beg.
I don't know what you talking. Yo, what the freak? What happened to your face? Body ass. Call me, you thought I would be bigger?
You can't go back. Only death awaits you there now.
Alright then.
Fear not, love. You've got potential. I see it in you, and I can help change your fate. But if you want a new life, you're going to have to suffer quite a bit to get it.
Whatever, girl. Just give me my new life. I don't know what you're talking about. Maybe I need some. I didn't pay my taxes. Maybe I got shot to death. But alright. This is ball. I
The
got
pieces
some balls
were-
in it. I wanna get out. Yeah. This game is very dumb. Oh.
Awaiting you here.
What you say? Can you repeat that?
Clock's ticking.
No, let me go back. Who the hell whispering to my ear, Mickey Mouse? Yo, my friend's business. You see that, aariz? I hate you.
What a charming little hotel. Bring back any memories?
That murder one. Maybe some memories. Yes, yeah. What's this? Hello? 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 Yo! 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 Edit! Hey! Hey! So, just get it. Do. Yeah. That's the channel. Subscribe. You looking ugly, eh? What is? You get ugly. You ugly. You very ugly. You very black. You monkey. I'm coming to your hotel. I'm coming to your house. Get ready. Get ready. Yeah. Tap on this freaking. What you about to do again? I do it. You do it. Ray, I do it. Ray, do it. Awesome. No. Run! I'm about to get you! I'm getting you! My God. Oh my God.
Going up?
Where am I? Oh, Daddy. Hey, wait. I just came to the hotel to get some drink. Beers just said, I feel so me to get some rain. What the frick is that?
Now listen closely. See those floating bits of crystal?
What's that?
Those are soul shards. Fragments of human spirit scattered throughout the halls of this little maze.
Alright.
Each crystal is a remnant of one who has met their end here.
Inna lillah.
One more thing.
Okay.
You're not alone.
I kinda do
There
that.
are monsters in here. You'll need this. It can detect each shard's location. It was left by the last guest to disappoint me here. A very clever girl.
See her?
Construction.
Like you.
Break those boards and let's get this party started.
Okay. C4, damn, what was shut up? Them shots and then we can go home? Sure. Get me down. Ow! Oh! No. Oh my god!
Dead already? That's okay. Nobody liked you anyway.
Oh my god, man. This woman said nobody likes you anyways. Oh my. No! 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 I'm black! What difficulty is this game? Get me down. Get me down. I can do this. I can do this. Me bombo clat. Me bombo clat. I'm black. Black. I'm a black monkey. I'm a black strong monkey. I'm black. Oh my god.
You are dead.
No, it's in front of me. Oh, oh my god. Oh. Oh. So you are dead. Is this what's the use of you are dead? Wait, what? Oh, my crystals are back. Is this a glitch? What? Oh, my crystals are back. Is this I got infinite lives then? Let's go. What the freak, bro? I'm not scared. I'm not afraid anymore. Now I got infinite lives. I don't need to worry about anything. Oh my god!
It helps if you don't let them stab you in the face.
It helps if you fuck. Shut up, man! Shut up!
You've gathered half of the shop. I'm impressed.
Oh, yes. Oh, you bitch. Oh, you bitch. Oh, my. I'm walking into a trap. I'm walking into a trap. Oh, fuck. Baby, that's my baby.
That's what you get for monkeying around with murder monkeys.
Oh my god, you're gonna get something else good. Oh, you'll be knocking.
You are dead.
My headphones are broken. I cannot hear which direction they're going. Oh.
Behind you!
No way! Behind me! Oh my god! My headphones fell down. My headphones fell down, bro. My headphones. I can barely hear anything. My headphones is and my neck right now. Sound like a safe zone.
You're making it pretty easy to root for the monkeys.
It's pretty easy to punch you in the face, you blending. Shut up! Oh! Oh! Come on! Fuck! Come on!
That's what you get for monkeying around with murder monkeys.
You're gonna get a fish in the... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so close.
dead.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That was the most scariest thing ever. Oh, I was like, I hear them all over the place. There was one about to come to me right there. He was like, hey, my freaking that's no, I can, that's my freaking in the corner jump scare. Oh no. Oh no.
You've gathered all of the soul shards.
What?
The ring piece is now
Who the hell are you?
exposed, and the monsters will go in.
Oh my god.
Dead already? That's okay. Nobody liked you
This if you
anyway.
just shut your freaking mouth.
What you get for monkeying around with Murder Monkey. You are dead. Death by monkey? Oh dear, how embarrassing.
Oh my god, I'm about to freaking leave a monkey at your face because you just shit your freaking mouth.
You're making it pretty easy to root for the monkeys. You are dead.
Who dare?
Yes.
Shit,
Oh,
he
you.
knows you're here now. You need to escape. Get to the portal.
Okay. No,
Hurry.
no, 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 no more talking. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Run.
Oh, oh.
There's no escape.
You're there, yo. Oh, what the? Fuck. I'm out of here. Beat, what the? Oh my god, next. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. Oh, you can level up. Can I level up? Oh!
Good. You made it. And I see you met my friend sooner than I was expecting.
Woo! Oh my god, an eyeball.
Fierce. Still so persistent after all this time. Do not listen to her, mortal. She's just using you. Give her the ring, and there will be consequences.
Oh, why you about to choke me? Where's your hands, Anna?
This is your only warning. Help her, and you will suffer.
She barely did anything. The only suffering she did to me was laugh at me because I died to a bunch of monkeys. Bro.
Pay no attention to him. His powers cannot reach you here.
You sure about that?
The ring piece. Place it on the table. Now! Yes. Or so the legend goes.
So you're using a demon's powers to get my desires. What's my desires? I don't know, bro. Yes, I don't even know why I'm here, bro. Yes. Let me, hey, yo, are you looking at me?
Mare.
No! Oh my god, this one, alright. What? Oh, I forgot. You have to pay for this. And I have no money, so guys. I have no money to pay for this, so, woman, shut up! Shut up! I'm trying to talk! Yo. Shut! Whoa. Move back! Move back! Damn! So I guess that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hate my life. It's so tiring to edit. Goodbye. Well, thank you for watching this video and goodbye.